students. Today we are going to see about the Panchakavya. What do you mean by Panchakavya? It is nothing but the promoter with the combination of 5 important products that are obtained from the cow. What are the 5 important products? First one is cow dung. Okay. The next one is cow's urine. Next one, ghee, curd, and the next one is the milk. So these are all called as Panchakavya. So Panch means it is nothing but 5 actually. Okay. And here all these 5 products are collectively termed as Panchakavya, and they have a very important role to boost or to improve the immunity. They have the potential to improve the immunity level. Okay, that's the specialty of this. And resistant to the pest, not only giving immunity level, and also it will help to help to maintain the resistance to the pest, to increase all over the yielding also. So stoppage of pest, and also it stop the growth of pest, as well as it helps to in higher yielding. Yielding of fruits or vegetables, the growth of plants we can say. Clear, children? So next we are going to see about the wormy wash. What do you mean by wormy wash? It is nothing but a liquid that is collected after the passage of water through the continuous the column of worms action. Okay, the water which are being splashed and the liquids are collected by the worm action, and even the excretory product and the mucus secretion on the earthworm also will be collected as a micronutrients. Can you understand? So that is called as wormy wash. And this is very important for the like a wormy wash. It is also used as a foliar spray. Already we have seen about the foliar spray and used for the crops. Okay, so here the mucous membrane of the earthworm will be there, as well as the excreta of earthworm will be there. So those even their waste matter plus their mucous membrane and their subcutaneous tissues, the layer also will be there, which will enhance the growth of plants. Clear? So next we are going to see about the biopesticides. Bio means living, pesticides means to stop the growth of pest, we will go with some of the chemicals that is called as sites, that is pesticides. So here if you see the living organisms or their derived parts, some of the important parts which are used for controlling the biocontrol agents are used as a biocontrol agent to protect the crops against the insect or pest or any of the worms we can say. So that is called as biopesticides. So here the 2 important category we are going for. One is fungal pesticides. Fungal pesticides which will affect even the microbial growth also. Fungal microbial growth also it will start eradicating. As well as one more, if you see, bacterial pesticides. Only the thing, the viral growth alone, it is very difficult to stop. The remaining fungal or the bacterial infection, we can stop their growth easily. Clear? So it start dominating the bacterial pesticides. All the bacteria, they will stop it. And here fungal infection will be stopped by this biopesticides, especially fungal pesticides. So next we are going to see about the biofertilizer. Bio means living, fertilizer means chemical manure we can say. But here we are going to use some of the microorganisms as a biofertilizer. So the biofertilizer are nothing but some of the nitrogen fixing bacteria are available on the soil, and these nitrogen fixing bacteria will start fixing the nitrogen in the atmosphere. Okay, they start fixing the atmospheric nitrogen, and this will enhance the growth of plants, and even they maintain the soil. So what is the main purpose? Means this nitrogen will start, it will enhance the soil as well as to the plants growth. Okay, that's the main function of this nitrogen fixation. And improves the soil fertility also, we can say. And this nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds it will convert. That's the main thing of this nitrogen fixing bacteria. Some of the nitrogen fixing bacteria we are going to see here, like Anabina, Nostoc. Okay, Nostoc, Anabina. Okay, and Rhizobium are the best example for this nitrogen fixing bacteria. These are all the bacteria we can say. Clear? Next, the last session we have come across. Write a note on Panchkavya and Vermiwash. So these two important things we are going to explain. And next we are going to see about write a note on biopesticides. So biopesticides we are going to explain. And two classifications we have seen, fungal classification and bacterial classification, that also you have to mention here. And the next one is the biofertilizers you are going to explain. Clear? Thank you, children.